Rising from the sands of the Egyptian desert, the pyramids are among the most iconic and mysterious monuments ever built. They have stood for thousands of years as silent witnesses to history, their massive stones guarding secrets that continue to intrigue humanity. But what lies hidden inside these colossal structures? Are they merely tombs for pharaohs, or is there more to their story? The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, is the most famous of them all. Built over 4,500 years ago, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for nearly 4,000 years. Its precision and engineering baffle modern architects, but it's not just the exterior that fascinates us, it's the labyrinth of chambers and passageways hidden deep within. When explorers first entered the Great Pyramid, they found a narrow, sloping passage leading to the so-called Queen's Chamber and the King's Chamber, both deep inside the structure. These rooms, made of smooth limestone and granite, were designed with mathematical precision. But here's the catch: no mummy of Khufu, the pyramid's supposed builder, has ever been found inside. So, what was the purpose of these chambers? Were they truly intended as burial sites, or did they serve a more enigmatic purpose? Some experts suggest the chambers were part of elaborate funerary rituals, while others believe they were symbolic pathways to the afterlife, aligning with the stars to guide the pharaoh's soul. The king's chamber is particularly intriguing. It contains a massive red granite sarcophagus, but it's empty. The walls are bare, with no inscriptions or decorations, a striking contrast to other tombs in the Valley of the Kings. Even more mysterious are the air shafts leading out of the chamber. Initially thought to provide ventilation, these shafts are now believed to have astronomical alignments, pointing to the stars Sirius and Orion. Could the builders have encoded a celestial map within the pyramid? But the Great Pyramid isn't the only one hiding secrets. The nearby Pyramid of Menkaure and the Pyramid of Khafre also contain complex interiors with chambers, passageways, and false doors designed to confuse grave robbers. Ancient Egyptian architects went to extraordinary lengths to protect their treasures, but most of the pyramids were looted long ago. So, what were they guarding so fiercely? In 2017, a groundbreaking discovery stunned the world. Using advanced technology called muon tomography, scientists detected a massive void above the Grand Gallery in the Great Pyramid. This void, over 30 meters long, has yet to be explored. Could it be a hidden chamber containing long-lost artifacts, or perhaps even the pharaoh's mummy? Theories abound, but until we find a way to enter this secret space, the mystery remains unsolved. The pyramids are not just monuments, they are time capsules, preserving the beliefs, ambitions, and ingenuity of an ancient civilization. But their interiors also hold clues to darker truths. Graffiti left by workers inside the Great Pyramid provides a glimpse into the lives of the laborers who built these wonders. Far from the romanticized image of slaves under the whip, evidence suggests the workers were skilled laborers who were well-fed and honored for their contributions. And then there are the mysteries that defy explanation. How did the ancient Egyptians move and position stones weighing several tons with such precision? Some believe the answer lies in lost technologies or knowledge passed down from an earlier, advanced civilization. Others point to the possibility of supernatural or extraterrestrial involvement, though these ideas remain firmly in the realm of speculation. One thing is certain: the interiors of the pyramids were designed with purpose and intention. Every passageway, every stone, and every chamber was part of a grand vision that remains partially hidden from us. But what if the pyramids aren't just tombs or monuments? What if they were designed as something entirely different? Some researchers suggest they may have been power plants, harnessing natural energy through their precise geometry and materials. Others believe they served as gateways to other realms, connecting the physical world with the spiritual. The more we learn about what's inside the pyramids, the more we realize how much we still don't know. These ancient structures challenge our understanding of history, technology, and human potential. So, the next time you gaze at the pyramids, remember, they are not just piles of stone. They are messages from the past, waiting to be deciphered. Their interiors, with their silent corridors and hidden chambers, hold the secrets of a civilization that was as mysterious as it was magnificent. If you've enjoyed exploring the mysteries of the pyramids with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll keep uncovering the hidden secrets of history and bringing them to you. Until next time, stay curious, and let the mysteries of the ancient world inspire your imagination.